engine vibrates like crazy. This problem has troubled the car owner for more than half a month. He has been to 3 repair shops, cleaned the throttle, cleaned the oxygen sensor, even cleaned the oil lines of the entire car. It cost $3,000, but the problem is still not solved. So he found me in the comment area. Today, I helped him find out what was going on. The engine vibrates seriously at idle speed. The car owner said that key components have been inspected. Then only this car part may have a problem. Look, it's this spark plug. I suspect it's the body shaking caused by aging spark plugs. Let's take it apart and inspect it. This is the tool I brought. Look, these 4 are ignition coils. The spark plugs are right underneath them. There's a connector on it. Let's unplug it first. The method is very simple. Press the top buckle with your hand. You can pull it off by pulling it hard. Then we found a small wrench. Unscrew the screw above the ignition coil. Unplug the ignition coil. Look, the spark plug is in this hole. Then we find the sleeve tool. Insert it inside. Rotate clockwise. Tools are very cheap, only $2. This is the spark plug. Wow, look, it has aged very seriously. The cause of the problem has been found. This is a new spark plug I just bought for $5 at a convenience store. Let's compare it. Look, the contrast is so obvious. Next, we will replace it. Okay, let's use the same method to replace the other 3. Done. Now all 4 spark plugs have been replaced. I'll get in the car and start it now to try. See if the engine still shakes. If it doesn't shake, friends, remember to give me a like. Please support me. Your support is my biggest motivation for making videos. If you can still give me a follow. If you have any car questions in the future, you can ask me. Let's go. Let's apply the brakes first. Start up. See it? A success. Power is very strong. Go to the front. Try again. Look, the engine no longer shakes. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.